Good morning, my community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. We are kicking off our big giveaway that I've been talking to you about in the last week. What are we giving away? We are giving away 5 packs of the Homesteader Seed Pack, which is a $50 value, guys, 50 bucks. That has 50 different seed varieties in it to 5 of our folks in our community. I'm very excited to offer this to you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put the link below. It will run through March the 12th. It is open to anyone in the United States. Again, guys, this is a $50 value. And we have been really excited about the seed. So I'm also going to put our affiliate link down below if you want to browse and see what else they have. We're continuing to buy from them. And guys, at 50 bucks for 50 seed packs, that's a heck of a deal. Let me tell you something. And we're seeing really good germination from them, and we're really enjoying them. So again, there will be 5 lucky winners. Contest is running until March the 12th. It is open to anyone in the United States. Be sure and put your correct email in there because all winners will be notified via email. And Survival Garden Seed is going to handle this contest for us. And so they'll be notifying the winners, and they'll get these shipped out to you as soon as possible at the end of this contest. Thank you all. I wish you all the best of luck. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.